Hi, you guys, and welcome back to another tutorial to help you navigate the online auction event tomorrow night for the Museum of Northwest Art. We are super excited and we cannot wait to see you there tomorrow. But first, participating. You know you need two devices, you know you need to be on YouTube Live, and you know you need to be on Greater Giving, but how do you get to the YouTube Live? That's a good question. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to YouTube, go to the Museum of Northwest Art, put that in, and you're going to see our channel right there. And there's probably going to be a thing like this. Welcome to the Mona Annual Auction and Gala. You're going to want to click on that. And it's going to tell you when it goes live if you're joining us before 6 p.m. tomorrow night. And it's going to tell you the date and the time that you can join us. Down here is a chat feature. Now, if you want to come play and hang out in the chat feature with the rest of us, you're going to need a YouTube account. Now, don't worry, they also call it a YouTube channel, but that doesn't mean that you have to make videos. It just means that you can access all of these fun features on YouTube. So to do that, if you have a Gmail account, you're going to come up here, you're going to click sign in, you're going to go to your Gmail account here, click on it, enter your password, click next, and you're golden. Now, if you don't have a YouTube account, what you're going to want to do is a little different. So you're going to go to accounts.google.com, right? And there's create account for myself. So what you're going to do is you're going to put in your first name, your last name, and your email address. If it looks like this and says username and @gmail.com, and you don't want to create a Gmail account, click use my current email address instead. And then use your current email address, create a password, confirm the password, and click next. Now, when you click next, it's going to prompt you to enter a recovery email and user information. Enter a recovery email that you can access. Okay, you guys? I once put in a recovery email address that I forgot the password to. It got really complicated. Don't be like me. Be smart. Put in a recovery email address that you know the password to. You're going to also enter your birthday and your gender, and then you're going to read the privacy terms and click I agree. And congratulations, you will have created an email account. And then you can go to YouTube, go to our channel, come here to our live event, and you will be able to participate in the live event. And remember, two devices, one for the viewing and the other one for the bidding, okay? One is on Greater Giving, one is on YouTube, and between the two of them, you can bid on some incredible art. So come on out tomorrow night, 6 p.m. on the nose is when we start Pacific time, remember, and we're going to have a good time with you guys. So remember, bid early, bid often, and take care of yourselves. See you tomorrow. Bye.